Hey there, it's Crafty Jennabug. It's the final day of Dephemerember 2022. I'm trying not to cry because this has been so much fun and I don't want it to end. In case you don't know, Dephemerember is a daily ephemera inspiration prompt list hosted by 49 Dragonflies and Louisa Heinzel, and it takes place during the month of December. And they have provided a prompt list for 25 days during December where you have different prompts to make ephemera for your junk journals. And they also have chosen an animal to feature each day. Today, being day 25, is leather and ATC. ATC stands for Artist Trading Card. And I only recently, within the last few months, learned about artist trading cards. Apparently they were started in the 90s, I believe, for artists to trade. I mean, it's in the title, right? They have a set size. They are 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, which is the same size as most trading cards, baseball cards, etc. So today's animal is a bird. And it is cute. This is one of the freebies that Louisa offered. She offered different animal cards corresponding to each animal of the day for this month of Dephemerember. And you can find those under her videos. I have included links to both Louisa and Barbara at 49 Dragonflies Dephemerember playlists. So if you're interested in seeing how amazing they are, you can check there. So I'm going to use this little bird today. And I don't have real leather. So I have a few sheets that I got in a scrap bag. You know, like I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought a bag of just scrap papers. And these two look very much like leather. They have the texture, but they're obviously paper. So I'm going to use either one of these. This is actually 2.5 inches wide, so I would just have to measure 3.5 and cut it out. The little bird seems kind of big, honestly. I'm not sure what else to do with him. Would he look better on the blue? Maybe. Either way, I will go ahead. Either way, this is my leather, and I'm going to use it as the base of my card. I will need to probably back it because it is pretty flexible. I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this out, and I'll be back. All right, so I cut the bird out of the card, and I cut his legs off because I'm evil. I cut his legs off because I want to make a collage nest for the bird. And I wanted it to look cute. Oh, the legs got in the way. Plus, it was really hard to fussy cut around them. And it's cold. And I don't know. I felt like he didn't need any legs. They're hiding. The little legs are hiding under it. Okay? It's nesting. So, I want to create a little tree scene, I guess. Let's get some, I want to make like a little collage scene. Well, you know what? Before I start this, I should probably back this on some cardstock. I'm going to use this. This is the cardstock I used in yesterday's video for the specimen card. So I think I am just going to glue that together and use that as like a journal space, or where I sign it, because artist trading cards get signed. now I can get to decorating this part. So, like I said, I want these down here, maybe lower. I decided some of those pages were a little too white. All right, so there it is, my little bird in a nest. It's kind of simple, but I really like it. I used tiny little scraps of paper and collaged a little nest for it, and I dig it. Here's the back. I will sign and date it on the back. And actually, maybe. That brings it all together. So there it is, my completed artist trading card. I have the leather, I have the bird, and I have the card itself. So there it is, the back I inked up, coffee stained cardstock to keep it stiff, and I will sign, I will sign and date the back of it off camera. So there it is, the last Dephemerember project for 2022. It's bittersweet. I'm super proud of myself because this is the only time I have seen a creative prompt list through to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Louisa and Barbara. This has been so much fun. I cannot express my thanks enough. I've really enjoyed pushing myself creatively, and just sticking to the prompt list has been a challenge that I've thoroughly enjoyed. So thank you again. And you, my viewers, thank you for watching. You're the reason why I do this, I guess. I love crafting, and yeah, so thank you for viewing. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.